Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be remixing two of my glitter mixes that just recently went out of stock. And at the end of this video, the very last mix, you will see me mixing a glitter with an interesting story. I don't know, I wouldn't say, maybe not interesting, but a funny story, but I will get to that when we get there. So as you guys can see, Polyjuice Potion has made its way back to my shop as part of the permanent roster. It was a part of the Harry Potter collection. That sold out, and I was not going to remix any of those mixes, but I have gotten so many requests for Polyjuice Potion, so it's back permanently. Okay, and now we have come up to the mix that I hated initially. Well, maybe not hated. Maybe it was just because I couldn't get it to look the way I wanted to. But you just saw me pour it in, and that is the mix that has been staring me in the face for the last month or so. It looked too much like another one of my mixes called Razzle Dazzle. I didn't know what to do with it after that. So it's just been sitting there staring me in the face. And then some words pop into my head from a friend of mine. Her name is Teresa, lovely lady, Nailing It 71. I will link her information down below. Go follow her. But she told me a while back, she was like, just throw some shit in there, mix it up and see what happens. It'll be pretty as glitter. So I'm like, all right, that's what I did here. There's absolutely no method to my madness in this part of the video. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make it look different. And I actually like the end result. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box for links to these mixes if you are interested in purchasing. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.